With Active Classroom, you can find the social studies lessons you need in just a few clicks. Let's learn how. Click the Find Activities button, or click Content, select Find Activities to get started. In Step 1, you can correlate your lesson search based on state or Common Core standards. Select Grade Range, Standard Type, State, Content Standards, or Common Core Standards, and use keywords to find lessons in this way. Or skip Step 1, go to Step 2, and find lessons in Active Classroom based on these pull-down menus. Search by subject, era theme, activity type, series title menu, keywords, or a combination of all these options. Let's take an example. In this case, I want World History as my subject, and I want an image analysis activity, and I know I'm interested in slavery, so I'll type in the keyword slave. I click search, and in just a few seconds, I can see all of the Active Classroom lessons associated with the criteria that I've used. I can see lesson title, activity type, primary skill, Lexile level, and duration. I can also see, in addition to Active Classroom's preloaded lessons, lessons that I've built myself in Active Classroom, quizzes that I've built, and activity sets that I've built and saved. In this case, an activity set is a collection of individual lessons. Let's go back to our search results. I can use the info icon to find additional information about a lesson, including its series title, its grade range, its assessment type or types, and its ideal group size, as well as its Lexile level again. This lesson looks promising, so let's view it to make sure we want to use it. The lesson will open up in a separate window for us to preview, and we can readily see that there is a downloadable teacher's guide as a PDF that will help teachers teach the lesson. There's a table of contents, and we can scroll through and preview the content. I want to go to the images to make sure they're good images for visual analysis from my class. I'll click on an image, bring up an image bank, and use the Image Examiner tool to see what details can be drawn out from each image. Here's another image, and we can see fine details. We can also make the image into a quadrant and bring it up one quadrant at a time. We can also scroll down and preview the built-in scaffolding questions that come with every preloaded lesson in Active Classroom. I think this lesson is a keeper, and I want to use it for my students. We found one lesson we want to use. Now it's time to search for additional lessons. To do that, click Reset and start the simple process again. Notice that the series title menu can also be used to find all lessons associated with a particular series title. The last lesson we previewed belonged to debating the documents for world history. I want to see other lessons in that series, so I use the menu to go to the series title I want. I hit the search button, and within a few seconds I can see all of the Active Classroom lessons under that series title. And that is how easy it is in just a few clicks to find all the lessons you need to use in Active Classroom.